So Uber's left Southeast Asia, you've heard all about the taxi scams, and you're not keen to risk your life trying to ride a scooter in this traffic. How the heck are you supposed to get around in this place? Stay tuned, we'll tell you how we've been doing.
We grab it, of course. Now, while we like exploring areas by foot, there are those times where the destination is either a little bit too far away, it's late at night, or we're just tired. That's when we like to use this share ride provider.
If you've never heard of Grab, it's basically Southeast Asia's version of Uber. And right now, it's actually the only ride share app in Vietnam.
Cool thing too is the app is really easy to use, and it's a super affordable option too, even for those on a tight budget.
So we want to show you a couple of things today. First, we want to show you how to download and set up the app, and then how to actually use it. How to go ahead and book your first ride. If you're like me and you like a discount, we will put a referral link in the description below. And if that's not your thing, don't stress, stick around to the end. We've got another tip that might well save you some money if you're using Grab while travelling.
So come along and we'll show you the way.
So the first thing we need to do is go to the App Store on your mobile phone and download the Grab app. On a side note, if you were wanting discounts, you do need to use the link below before downloading the app, so make sure you read the information in the description. Once the app's downloaded, go ahead and press open. Straight away, the app's going to ask you to allow it to use your location when using the app, and also to send you notifications. You need to allow both of these in order to use all the features of the app. From here, you need to register within and set up the app. So you can continue with either your Facebook and Google account logins, or you can do what we're going to do and continue with our mobile number. So on this page, you need to enter your mobile number, your name, and your email address. Once you've entered all those details, go ahead and click Next, and now Grab's going to send you a 4-digit verification code. Once the code comes through, simply enter the 4 numbers, and as soon as you put in the last digit, it's going to click over to the Well Done screen. And that's it. The app's installed, set up, ready to use. For those who did use the discount code below, you're going to see this little pop-up just to let you know your discounts are in there, ready for you to use.
If you've missed any of the instructions or you just want to see them again, don't worry, they will be in the link as well. So now that Leon's given us the keys, let's take it for a test drive.
The first thing we want to do is for those that use the discount code, we want to make sure we've got those discounts hooked up. So we're going to head up to the top left corner of the screen, click on the menu, then we're going to come down to Grab Rewards. When we open that, we're going to head over to the left where it says My Rewards, and now you can see your discount in there. So we'll click on where it says Ride Now, and bang, we're back to the booking page. First thing we've got to do is set our pickup point. The pickup point is the purple pin, and you can see here it says Anthong 6. However, we're the blue dot, and here's a little caveat. Grab maps don't seem to have every address in them. Our building is a perfect example of this. For some reason in Grab Maps we don't exist. So what I do is click the pickup point, and then rather than enter one manually, I select location from map. Now you can see it's come a little closer to where we are. However, it's saying we want to get picked up from the pub, and I know that pub is actually 1.5 blocks down the road. So what I'm going to do here is move the map over to my neighbour's place. So now I've moved the purple pin over to our neighbour's building right next door. I'm going to click Confirm. This now shows me the Grab drivers that are around the area and available. Next thing to do is enter in our drop-off location. Let's say we're going to head to Kong Cafe. There we go. If we come down here, we can see the options. So those are the choices of vehicles we've got at the moment and the cost for each. We can check that it's the right location by moving around the map. then if we're happy with everything there, we simply go ahead and press book. The app will then process our booking and find us a driver. Once a driver is found, we'll be sent his name, photo, vehicle type and registration number. You can then click on the black part of the screen to get back to the home page, and from here you'll be able to track your driver.
Well, that's a wrap on Grab. Hope the information is of use to you, and don't forget the link below. Also, as promised, our tip is don't ignore the notification and emails that you get from Grab just because they're in a different language, as they often contain discount codes. Those gems will either save you a bit more dosh or get you a little bit further.
So we've been using Grab in Vietnam. We think it's great, but we'd love to hear your experiences, especially if you've used Grab outside of Vietnam. Is it as good in the rest of Southeast Asia? If you found the video helpful, help us, click like, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Sweet.